Hello and welcome back to my UX Snack series. So this video today is going to be a continuation on the topic of UX and marketing. And it's really about why I think all marketing teams, especially like customer experience teams, shopper marketing teams, should have a UX person sitting at their table. According to a 2018 published report by UserZoom, which is a report you should definitely check out, it's called The State of UX in Enterprise, 68% actually see a moderate perceived value of UX in their company, and only 23% see a high value or the benefits that UX brings, and I think this should be much higher. So I really think this boils down to a lack of education in the value that UX brings to not only website or app design and development, but to companies as a whole. And I think it's also a lack of education in really understanding the wide spectrum of all the things that UX designers do. So at my last company, UX was viewed as a role that really sat more with graphic design or the engineering team and really never had a lot of crossover like on teams or projects with the marketing team. So today I'm going to share with you the top 3 reasons as to why UX should be part of broader marketing teams. Number 1, consumers primarily engage with companies online. 93% of online experiences actually begin with a search engine, and 63% of consumers primarily use a company's website to find and engage with businesses. Because of this, nearly all businesses, like 98%, have a documented app marketing strategy. This is why it's so important to have marketing and UX designers on the same team. UXers can provide insights on customers, which will then in turn impact how and where you reach them. They absolutely go hand in hand. Number 2, behavioral insights and data drive conversion. The best brands out there right now are customer-centric. Brands that really understand their customers' needs and wants are the ones that will drive conversion, and ultimately they will drive revenue. Brands cannot efficiently do this without having UX designers creating the best user experience possible. In fact, no amount of marketing or tactics can fix a bad experience, which is why they should be working together on the same team. Number 3, storytelling connects and creates advocates. User retention is or should be the number 1 goal of marketing teams, with acquisition coming in second. And UX is about in-depth understanding of both of these consumer segments combined. So, UX allows companies to really lock into consumers' memories to help create new, memorable experiences. At the same time, as marketing is becoming much more customer-centric, this idea of telling a story to connect to consumers is becoming much more prevalent. UX can provide really powerful insights to develop content that commands attention, that pulls people into products and brands, and that helps set up a really successful user experience. So my final thought on this is if you look at current marketing teams, especially the ones that I've been on, they will have a digital team, you'll have email marketing, you'll have social, you have all these small little teams that work together as one. And I look at UX as being that voice of the consumer for all these different groups. So really a successful team will be one that has UX on it. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for another UX Next coming soon.